Hi, I'm Don Villeza. I'm the owner of AB Moto Tuning Sales and Service Center. I started this business when I graduated as an ECE and I started my career as an IT professional. I worked for 15 years until I got tied into a motorcycle industry. So I started working on my own bike nung simula for my relatives, for my friends and neighbors. And I'm fortunate enough kasi nagustuhan nila yung aming paniniwala na everything has a science. So through that, dahil nga nagustuhan nila, we continued to get referrals even dun pa kami sa bahay. AB Moto started in 2013. While I was working, it was my side job. It's a side business. And my motivation back then was makabuo lang ako ng isang man cave. Ibig sabihin, maraming tools and equipment na talagang magpapasaya sa akin. And since I have 3 boys, lalo pa akong na-inspire na damihan pa yung aming tools and equipment para meron din akong something na ipapamana sa kanila. Ang specialization namin sa AB Moto ay suspension engineering or scientific suspension works. Dito kami nag-umpisa doing shock sa harap and then develop shock sa likod and then dinamihan na lang namin ang aming services. So to date, we are doing steering, braking, CVTs, and everything else tungkol sa motor. Bakit nga ba kailangan itono natin ang mga front suspensions kahit bago pa? 2 main reasons. Kapag ang mga motor ay inassemble sa mga factories, they follow a certain standard na bagay doon sa country where it is manufactured and probably sa average rider. But when we get our bikes, we are not average. There are a lot of riding styles, iba-ibang terrain, at iba-ibang country climate. So, suspension tuning is the best opportunity para ma-tailor fit and ma-dial in ang inyong mga suspensions based on your specific rider needs. Gaano kahalaga ang suspension tuning? The shocks or yung suspension keeps your tires and bike planted on the ground. That's number 1. Second, it keeps you safe kasi it separates the roughness ng road condition dun kay rider. With a good suspension, it provides rider confidence. It allows you to enjoy riding much more. Marami ang nagtatanong, what got me into suspension tuning? Kasi everything has a science. I started this nung nahilig ako sa racetrack. Hindi naman ako magaling, hindi rin ako super talented. So I figured out a way kung paano ako magiging safer at mas mabilis sa racetrack. And that is through suspension. What is the science around suspension tuning or yung ginagawa namin na suspension engineering? Primarily, we deal with springs, which deals with tigas or rider weight. Next is yung fork oil at saka yung mga damping components. When we say damping, that's the speed of motion kung paano gumagalaw ang ating shocks. Damping has 2 main components. Yung first is yung rebound. This is yung balik ng ating suspension after it absorbs the energy or yung bump. The rebound keeps the tires planted on the ground after ng lubak. Next is yung compression. Compression is the absorption ng energy or ng bump para hindi tayo tumalsik. The suspension absorbs that through the oil, through damping, we get a softer landing. So, altogether, yung tigas ng suspension addresses the rider weight. So, damping promotes a smooth and comfortable ride. What we understand pagdating sa suspension ng mga motor na bagong labas, specifically dito sa Pilipinas, they follow a certain standard na hindi naman talaga applicable sa lahat ng situations. Ano yung mga situations na yan? We have the off-road, we have the mixed terrain, we have the city, and then some use it for racetrack. With suspension tuning, ito ang best opportunity para i-adapt natin dun sa specific rider needs. So, if ikaw ay nag-off-road, maganda na medyo responsive and reactive ang iyong suspension. Pag dinala mo naman yan sa racetrack, medyo bumpy and bouncy and unstable. But through proper science ng suspension tuning, pwede natin siyang bigyan ng balance of both. So, we provide comfort, we provide stability and performance, depende sa specific na pangangailangan. Dito po sa AV Moto, we have our mission and vision. We call it PrepQ. PrepQ means professionalism, reliability, excellence, passion, at quality. Dahil po dyan, we are blessed and very thankful, also grateful that we've been given the ability to understand, since we also have a little bit of experience, na maintindihan namin kung ano yung mga rider needs and requirements to make them feel safer, confident dun sa kanilang pagmumotor. And dito rin sa AV Moto, it became our culture na lahat ng clients namin, VIPs and friends. Walang competition dito sa AV Moto. In fact, if you will allow me to share, nung nakaraang pandemic, may mga customers kami or even followers that we helped. Sabi nila, they got inspired by what we do. So, pumunta yung iba sa bahay, yung iba naman ay tumawag at nag-chat. So, we shared a bit of our knowledge para makapag-umpisa sila ng sarili nilang business. And to date, we can see them na marami rin silang customers. We share our knowledge still, and we give them the best quality products AV Moto has to offer. Ano ang kaibahan ng suspension tuning dito sa AV Moto? We do our very best na maging scientific, and we follow international standards na similar ginagawa nila sa US and sa Europe. AV Moto used to be a one-man team. Until dumami ng dumami ang customers, natuto na rin pati yung anak ko when he was 7 years old. At to date, pati ang daddy ko, even now that he's more than 70 years old, nandito pa rin siya to help and support AV Moto. From one-man team, we are about 15 families dito sa company that continue to help each other. AV Moto has been very delighted kasi kami ay na-recognized with a few companies. We've now been part of several major events. And as a part of delivering quality service to the industry, AV Moto has a service caravan para doon sa mga riders na hindi nakakapunta dito sa North Caloocan. We've reached Mindanao, Visayas, Luzon, all over the Philippines. We have our van, we have our mobile tools. We bring in our people and our talent. So kung meron kayong mga gustong puntahan ng AV Moto Service Caravan will be there for you. Marami ang nagsasabi na kapag suspension, i-AV Moto mo na yan. Pero ano nga ba ang ginagawa ko at ng AV Moto when we are not here at AV Moto? I used to be an IT manager for the last 15 years sa corporate industry. So guys, paki-follow din ang aming page, which is AV Lieza IT Solutions. We provide infrastructure sa IT. So we work on servers, cloud, networks, firewalls, fiber optic, and structured cabling. We also provide consulting para sa mga IT needs ng mga small to medium-sized organizations. AV Moto started as a passion, but today, guys, it's already a business. AV Moto is a distributor of so many products. Nandyan ang Profender, nandyan ang Öhlins, Race Power, Racing Boy, YSS, Eurogrip Tires, Maxima Racing Oils, Liquimoly, and many other products. We also have branches dito sa Santa Maria, Bulacan. You can search for One Moto Avenue, AV Moto. Pero ang aming main service center ay dito sa North Caloocan City, sa Camarin. We are just 1 kilometer away sa North Caloocan City Hall. If you are looking for premium services, please come and visit us here at the AV Moto Tuning Sales and Service Center, and we'll be happy to assist you. So once again, this is Don Villeza from the AV Moto Tuning Sales and Service Center, and it's been an honor to be here at All About Wheels Manila.